In this video, we will learn how to install Apache NetBeans 11.0 on Windows 10. So let's begin. So to download and install NetBeans Apache or Apache NetBeans on Windows 10, you need to first make sure that you have installed Java JDK successfully. For that, I would paste a video link in the description, so you can just go and click on it if you haven't installed Java JDK. To make sure that you have installed Java JDK, once you have installed that, just go to your command prompt and here type in for Java C, and if such thing comes up, it means you have successfully installed it. If it gives an error, it means you need to install Java JDK before installing the NetBeans Apache. So hope it would help you. Now coming to the installation of Apache NetBeans, here just go and search for NetBeans Apache download. Here we are. Just go and open it. Click on this link, that is netbeans.apache.org. Now click on download. Now click on here download NetBeans Apache 11.1. Here download the Windows version because we are on Windows. Just go and click on this link and the download will start. In my case, I have already downloaded it, so I would go to my download section, and under the programs, here I have NetBeans Apache or Apache NetBeans. So I would just go and open it, click on yes, and the installation process will start. In case if the installation process doesn't start and it gives an error of Java JDK, you can go to the description to install Java JDK before. Now just go and click on next, accept the license agreement, click on next, click on next, click on install, and this process will automatically be completed. It will take a bit of a time. I will be back when the installation process is completed. Load and install has completed successfully. Click on finish, close it, and if you go to your desktop, and here you can open the Apache NetBeans IDE 11 on Windows 10. So here it is started. Hope this has helped you, but before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.